Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So we are on the verge of a new Samsung flagship release, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is set to make its debut today, January 22nd. Along with several new features and the best hardware, the S25 series will come with the latest One UI 7 pre-installed. However, there's a catch for older Galaxy smartphone users. Samsung has yet to reveal when they will get their hands on this major software update. The company has recently confirmed that the update is coming soon, without providing any concrete dates. This leaves many Galaxy users in the dark about when they can expect improvements and new features on their devices. Interestingly, Samsung has already rolled out 3 beta builds of One UI 7 for the Galaxy S24 series. This beta program was notably short, which might suggest that Samsung is aiming for a faster release for the stable version. From my experience with Samsung's One UI, the beta program for One UI 7 was unusually short. Typically, we see more than 3 beta builds. But still, Samsung appears to be lagging in the Android 15 update rollout race. Competitors like OnePlus and Xiaomi have already updated their eligible devices to Android 15, and Google has even started its Android 16 beta program. So, when might we see One UI 7 on older Samsung Galaxy devices? The speculation based on past patterns suggests a potential rollout starting in mid-February or early March 2025. Samsung typically rolls out the latest One UI updates to its newest phones first, so it makes sense that older models will receive the update sometime after the S25 series is launched. Everyone's excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but we are still in the dark about when older models will get the One UI 7 update, which is very disappointing. Hopefully, Samsung will clear this up at the Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event today and give the fans what they're waiting for. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.